So here's a Toyota Hilux wreck. It's recently been lit up. It's a 4-cylinder diesel. And do you want to know what's really not cool? When bees decide to swarm your car. I parked it there for less than 30 seconds, maybe about a minute, to the time it took to walk to this car and back, and I bet a queen bee flew in there or something. Now all of the bees have decided to fly into my ute. Really not cool. So hopefully they'll all just fly out. But anyway, here's a Hilux wreck. See, the leaf springs are very warped. Yeah, it's would have been one of the later model Hiluxes. Probably worth too much to light up. But yeah, have a look inside. Probably nothing interesting. Yeah, nothing too interesting. And that's full of bees. You can see the bees hovering around the roof.